Welcome to Watches That Rock. In this episode, we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Omega MoonSwatch, Mission to Mercury reference SO33A100. Taking a look at the box, it tells a story about the MoonSwatch collection and is nicely done. Each box is specific to the timepiece and the planet. This one provides specific details on Mercury. On the back, it showcases the other timepieces available in the collection, whilst on the sides, it features the Omega Times Swatch logo. This watch is eye-catching, especially as it mirrors the design of the Omega SpeedMaster MoonWatch. With its intense deep gray color and metallic grade Velcro strap, this watch means business. All hands and the tachymeter scale share a clean white hue, mirroring the classic design of the original MoonWatch. The case is constructed of Swatch Bioceramic, a groundbreaking material which is remarkably lightweight and possesses thermal properties allowing it to adjust to your body temperature, ensuring an exceptionally comfortable wearing experience. The flexibility of Bioceramic allows Swatch the freedom to explore boundless creativity in designing unique watch shapes, crafting bespoke colors, and engineering watch components such as cases, crowns, and bezels as experienced with the MoonSwatch collection. Notably robust yet pleasantly tactile, this groundbreaking material is remarkably lightweight and possesses that allow it to adjust to the wearer's body temperature, ensuring an exceptionally comfortable wearing experience. At a more visible level, the 42mm MoonSwatch case shares the same dimensions as the SpeedMaster and incorporates identical crown and pusher designs, as well as the iconic alpha hands associated with the Omega MoonWatch. Moving to the dial, all hands and the tachymeter scale are rendered in white, mirroring the design of the original MoonWatch. Each dial features the Omega X Swatch branding alongside the iconic SpeedMaster logo and the new MoonSwatch emblem. The glass is of biosource composition and features the discreetly integrated hidden S within the crystal center, is finished with an intricate circular pattern adorning the outer ring of the dial and the subtly recessed subdials, reminiscent of the SpeedMaster. The case has sleek and refined lugs design, and even intricate details like the dot over 90 have been faithfully replicated on the tachymeter bezel, and these details, including the distinct bioceramic finish, is also consistent across all variants. Furthermore, all hour, minute, and chronograph seconds hands, as well as hour markers, are coated with superluminova for optimal visibility in low light conditions. Turning to the case back, the watch features a touch of personalized charm. The battery cover features an image of Mercury and Mission to Mercury transcribed underneath it, which is a nice touch connecting the wearer to the specific planet behind their unique timepiece. The case back is finished with mission-inspiring text: "Dream big, fly higher, explore the universe. Reach for the planets. Enjoy the mission" is integrated into the design, something which is consistent across the MoonSwatch collection. This deep gray timepiece comes equipped with a contrasting gray Velcro strap featuring both Omega and Swatch logos at the top where it connects with the case. It also features the Omega SpeedMaster logo, which runs across the length of the strap. Allowing for a customized fit, it's easy on, easy off due to the Velcro and loop. However, this is easily changeable, giving you the option of aftermarket straps if you want to personalize to your own particular tastes. The MoonSwatches are undeniably faithful reproductions of the SpeedMaster, meticulously emulating the case design to the extent that enthusiasts have successfully attached authentic SpeedMaster bracelets to the MoonSwatch. Priced at a remarkably accessible $260 US or £240 sterling in comparison to the Omega SpeedMaster, there are distinct differences to note as well. While the SpeedMaster boasts a water resistance of 50 meters, the bioceramic MoonSwatch is splash resistant up to 30 meters. Furthermore, the MoonSwatch is powered by quartz movement instead of a mechanical one, resulting in a repositioning of the chronograph registers for elapsed minutes and hours higher up on the dial. Mission to Mercury is a fun watch with serious design characteristics, which is sure to get attention and a conversation starter. And if you don't like this one, there are 10 other colors to choose from. They are still as popular as their first release in 2022 and remain sold out in short supply in some countries. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, please remember to like and subscribe for more content. Your support is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time on Watches That Rock.